I used to. I used to. Do you know how that usage works? I used to be thinner. I am quite chubby now. I used to be thinner. I used to play cards. You know the playing cards? I used to play cards. I don't play them anymore. Oh, I used to watch a lot of movies, but I don't have the time now. I used to read a lot of novels, but I kind of like fiction books a bit more now. I used to run really fast, but I can't really, run anymore. I never used to like dogs. Honestly, I never used to like dogs until I got Momo. I never used to stay indoors so much. I do now because of the lockdown. I used to drive 55 minutes every day for going to work. I don't have to now. I used to think that it's very difficult to do videos on YouTube. I know it's easy now. I used to travel an awful lot more before, but I don't get to travel much now because of Corona. So that's the usage of I used to. You can use it positively by saying that I used to do something, or you can express something you never did. I never used to. I never used to go out so much, okay? Used to is something that you use for reflecting on something that you've done in the past. Used to എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാലേ പണ്ട് എന്തോ ചെയ്തുകൊണ്ടിരുന്നതാണ് എന്നാണ് അർത്ഥം. So try this statement today. I hope you find it useful. I hope it makes sense to you. I hope it's clear. Keep watching Surya Simple English, and thank you for sharing your requirements, and this particular idea came from Ganesh. Thank you.